In this video, I will show you how to change your email in Discord. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up the Discord app and log into your account. You can also do this on the discord.com website if you prefer to use a web-based version of Discord. These steps are the same. So once you're logged in, what you want to do is come down to the bottom left-hand corner, click onto this gear icon to go into your user settings, and from here you want to make sure you're clicked onto my account. In your account section, if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see information about your account and you're going to see your email here. To change this, come to the right hand side of your current email and click the edit button. Next, in the window that pops up, you want to enter a new email address and your existing Discord password. Once you've done that, come and click done at the bottom. Once you've done that, it's just going to take a minute or two to update your email address. And then what it's going to do, if it's successful, is ask you to confirm your new email. So what they're going to do is send a verification email to your new email address. So what you want to do is log into your email, check your spam and junk folders as well. You should see an email from Discord and just click the link in the email to verify your new email address. So that's how to change email in Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.